Good morning to one and all. I am Sudha, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. Now we see .NET technology. Introduction to .NET technology. What is meant by .NET? Why we using a .NET technology? .NET is a software framework that designed and developed by Microsoft. The versions of the .NET framework was 1.0, which came in the year 2002. In easy words, it is a virtual machine for compiling and executing programs written in different languages like C#, VB.NET, etc. Next, there are three types of applications to develop a .NET. It is used to develop form-based applications, second one web-based applications, and third web services. There is a variety of programming language available on .NET platform. VB.NET and C# being the most common one. We used a C# for developing a .NET applications. It is used to build applications for Windows, phone, web, etc. It provides a lot of functionalities and also support industry standard. .NET framework supports more programming language. Programming language are designed and developed by Microsoft. Next, main components of .NET framework, we use a common language runtime. We are discussed in next video. Okay, just we view the introduction to .NET technology. This is a syllabus for us. We studied a .NET framework architecture, CLR activities, Microsoft Intermediate Language, just-in-time, managed code, benefits of .NET. In second part, we studied C#, data types, variables, arrays, properties, control structure, namespace, method, interface, and delegations. Third part, web services, using ASP.NET. What is meant by difference between ASP and ASP.NET, architecture of ASP.NET, execution model for web services, difference between the code behind and ASPX file, implementation of simple web application, how to develop a web application website, etc. In fourth part, we studied controls. We using many tools in the process. First one, button, text box, timer, picture box, radio button, menus, web controls, AD rotator for advertisement tag, validations, calendars, etc. In fifth part, we studied ADO object, active data object, need to develop a object model, architecture of .NET working with grid controls using database. First we connected a MS Access to connect a database in ADO.NET using web applications. Next, introduction to .NET. What is meant by .NET? Microsoft .NET is a framework which provides a common platform to execute or run the applications developed in various languages. Microsoft announced the .NET initiative in July 2000. The main intention was to bridge the gap in interoperability between services of various programming language. What is the objectives of .NET framework? The objectives of .NET framework is designed to fulfill the process. First one, provide object-oriented programming environment. Second, object-oriented programming environment developing the various types of applications such as Windows-based applications and web-based applications to ensure that code based on .NET framework can integrated with any other code. This is a .NET framework diagram we seen in .NET framework diagram. Now we used a common language runtime, common language specifications, after MSIL code, JIT compiler. These are all in this framework we see in VB is in Visual Basics, C++ is an object-oriented language, C# we are using to Windows applications, web applications, and form applications, JavaScript. Next, common language specification we deeply studied in next video, ASP.NET, Windows Forms, and ADO.NET. These are the base class libraries are used in .NET framework. CLR, Common Language Runtime. CLR is a basic and virtual machine component of the .NET framework. It is the runtime environment in the .NET framework that runs the code and helps in make the development process easy by providing various services such as remoting, threat management, type safety, memory management, robustness, etc. Basically, it is responsible for managing the execution of .NET program regardless of any .NET programming language. It also helps in management of code, as code that targets the runtime is known as managed code and code does not target to runtime is known as unmanaged code. This is CLR activity. This is a CLR activity for main components using .NET. Next, base class library. Base class library is a framework base class library. It is a collection of reusable object-oriented class libraries and method, etc. that can be integrated with CLR also, called the assemblies. It is just like header files in C, C++ and packages in Java. Installing the framework basically is the installation of CLR and framework class library into the system. Next, .NET framework consists of CLS. What is meant by CLS? Common language specifications. It contains the .NET language should follow so that they can communicate with other .NET languages. It is also responsible for type matching. Next, framework based class libraries. Consistent object-oriented library of pre-packaged functionality and applications. Common language runtime. A language neutral development and execution environment that provides common runtime for application execution. Common language specification. CLS performs the following functions. It establishes a framework that helps enable across language integration, type safety and high performance code execution, provides an object-oriented model that supports the complete implementation of many programming language, define rules that language must follow, which helps ensure that objects written in different languages can interact with each other. Base class library. .NET base class library. Class library is a comprehensive object-oriented collection of reusable type. Class library can be used to develop applications that include traditional command line applications, graphical user interface applications, application based on latest innovations provided by ASP.NET, web forms, XML web services. Web class ASP.NET controls caching, security, session, configurations, etc. These are all the web classes using ASP.NET. ADO.NET. ADO.NET is an active data object. Active data object, SQL queries, structured query language, types, etc. These are all data for base class libraries. Windows forms, design, component model, etc. In this Windows form, it is easy to develop a designing process. Common language runtime ensures runtime environment for all .NET languages, uses common type system, strict type and code verifications, memory allocations and garbage collections, intermediate language to native code compiler, which compiles Microsoft Intermediate Language code into native code executable code. Security and interoperability of the code with other languages. They are supported more languages today. VB, C#, JavaScript, Visual, C++, Microsoft, Python, Global, Pascal, etc. Executions in CLR. Source code. First process is a source code in any platform, VB, C# or C++. After that, the program written, the source code compiler for all the languages. Example: VB, C#, C++, Assembly code. Compiler process after we converted the assembly code. Assembly code is an intermediate language. Next process we send it to common language runtime. After that they produce a just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler is a compiler for the programming language. After that native code. Next operating system services. Finally the execution model will be given the output. Assembly language is managed code to convert into CLR activities. Next, Microsoft has introduced Visual Studio.NET, which is a tool also called Integrated Development Environment, that is IDE, Visual Studio IDE, for developing .NET applications by using programming language such as VB, BC, ++ and JSharp, etc. What is meant by C#? Now we studied in .NET technology what is meant by C#. Microsoft C# pronounced C#, developed by Microsoft Corporation, new programming language that runs on .NET framework. C# is a simple, modern, type-safe and object-oriented. C# code is compiled as a managed code. Combine the best features of Visual Basics, C++ and Java. C# features. It's a simple, modern, object-oriented, type-safe, versionable, compactable, secure. We have studied next class in C# features. Thank you.